Hello children, so here we are back with the online classes conducted by Trinity Convent Higher Secondary School, Shivri Narayan, and in this module we'll be studying with the third chapter of class 6th science, that is fiber to fabric. This chapter will be divided into two modules, and in the first module we are going to discuss about what is fiber and what is fabrics, variety in the fabric and some plant fibers. So before knowing that, let us come to know what is fiber. Fiber is a thin thread of natural or artificial substances, especially one that is used to make cloth or rope. What are the different types of fiber? Initially fiber दो types के होते हैं, जो naturally obtain किया जाए या फिर जो synthetic हम man-made बनाते हैं. So in natural fibers we are having wool, silk, and in synthetic fiber we are having nylons. नेचुरल फाइबर को भी दो तरीके से डिवाइड किया जाता है. वन दैट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट नोन एज प्लांट फाइबर, एंड सेकंड दैट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम एनिमल्स व्हिच कैन बी टेकन एज एनिमल फाइबर. नाउ एग्जांपल ऑफ प्लांट फाइबर विल बी कॉटन, जूट from where we get cotton cloth or jute ropes, and similarly for animals can be silk cocoon which is manufactured for getting silk cloth. Now let us define what is natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals, for example cotton, jute, silk, etc. अभी इसको डिस्कस किया था. And synthetic fibers are made from chemical processes, for example nylon, polyester, all of these. These are the types of fibers that we are obtaining from animals. जैसे sheep होता है, sheep we are able to see on the screen. Sheep से हम wool gather करते हैं, which we are using, converting it in the form of thread and then weaving it for making a cloth which protects us from winter season. Also here we are having silk cocoon, silk moth, which gives us silk cloth. And from plants, when we see here, it is the jute rope and also cotton balls, cotton plant, from where we obtain cloth. So what is fabric? थिन थ्रेड और यार्न्स को जब हम प्रॉपरली वूव कर लेते हैं तो हमको एक फैब्रिक मिलता है. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, नाइलॉन का फैब्रिक, पॉलिस्टर फैब्रिक, कॉटन फैब्रिक. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट व्हेन द फाइबर्स आर वोवन प्रॉपरली इन थिन थ्रेड्स एंड यार्न्स and taken together, it is called as fabric. So the complete process of converting fiber into fabric is given as fiber. It is twisted to several strands to make yarns, and then yarn is twisted together at right angles to make fabric. There are different varieties of fabric. Like for natural fabric obtained from natural plant is linen, that is obtained from flax plant, cotton, that is obtained from cotton plant, and these are used for making trousers, shirts, denims. And linen appears to us natural and cotton appears as smooth. Now from animals obtained fiber are silk, which we are getting from cocoon of silk moth. It is used for various dresses, saris, t-shirts and shirts. Appearance is very smooth and glossy, and whereas wool we are having obtained from sheep, yak, various animals, and it is used as jumpers, hats, suits, carpets, and appearance is soft and coarse. Whereas nylon and polyester are obtained from coal and petroleum, and these are chemically produced fibers, converted fabric, and its appearance is usually shiny. And it is used for sports wears or suits, umbrellas, gym bags, carpets, etc. So here we are able to see different variety in fabrics. Also here we can see how the jute plant is converted into jute fiber. Jute plant we cultivate it first in a large scale, then it is made to immerse in water for rottening it, and after when it is rotten it is converted into jute fiber, and then it is used for various purposes as doormats or as threads and different purposes. Similarly for cotton, when we see, we have cotton plants which is initially as cotton ball, then it bursts out and it gives us the cotton seeds of fiber, and then it is converted into thin threads and then finally cloth. So this is the end of first module. In the next module we will be specifically seeing different steps involved in the conversion of cotton from flower till the cloth preparation. Thank you.